we have frequencies here. We're going to need to turn those into relative frequencies. So I'm going to open this up in Excel. We're going to need our sum. So that's going to be, oops, equals. It's going to be entries B2 to B8. Each of these then is going to be divided by that total. And again, if I wanted to keep referring to row 9 of column B, put a $sign. They are going to want the decimals rounded to 3 places. And we're good there. All right, let's see here. So the probability that a randomly selected multiple birth for women 15 to 54 involved a mother from 30 to 39 years old. All right. We're going to have to add this one and this one. No worries about double counting because they are disjoint or mutually exclusive events. To 3 places, that's going to round to 0.632. That it was not. That's going to involve finding the probability of the complement. Instead of adding everything else besides those two, recognize that if that mother was not 30 to 39 years old, we're talking about the complementary event to the event we just found the probability of. And so subtract from 1 that 0.632 that we just found. And that's going to give us, I'm going to type this in just so I can look at this, 0.37, 0.368 it looks like. We know that my lab doesn't like to see work shown though, so there we go. Less than 45. The same kind of situation. Instead of adding up all of these, which is everything but this last row, let's look at that last row's probability, subtract that from 1. Oh. And that's going to round down when we go to 3 places, so 0.0984. Once again, I'm using the complementary events. At least 40. Okay, this would be more direct to add up those last two. So at least 40, that's going to round down to 0.067. Not that we would expect exactly 1,000 times that 0.067, but about 1,000 times 0.067 would give us 67. About 67 of them would involve a mother that was at least 40 years old. Is that unusual? That is bigger than 0.05. So no, does not meet the threshold for being unusual. Careful, there's two no's here. This one is the one we go with because the 0.067 is greater than 0.05.